Hey Winx fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most intense episodes of Season 3, the Island of Dragons, where the Winx face a trial that pushes their powers and their friendship to the absolute limit. This isn't just another battle. It's a pivotal moment where everything they've learned is put to the test against the formidable forces of darkness. Get ready, because things are about to get seriously magical. The episode kicks off with the Winx arriving on Pyros, the Island of Dragons. They're here to find their inner dragon fire and earn their Enchantix powers, but this isn't some sunny vacation. The island itself is a wild, untamed land, teeming with powerful primal magic. From the very beginning, you can feel the tension building. The atmosphere is thick with danger, and our favorite fairies are immediately on high alert. But of course, trouble is never far behind when the tricks are involved. Icy, Darcy, and Stormy show up, and they're not just here to sightsee. They've teamed up with Baltor, and their goal is simple: crush the Winx and seize the island's power for themselves. This time, the tricks are more cunning than ever. They don't just go for a head-on attack, they use the island's volatile environment to their advantage, setting traps and manipulating the very creatures of Pyros to turn against our heroines. It's a strategic nightmare, and the Winx find themselves cornered and outmaneuvered. This is where the episode truly shines. Faced with overwhelming odds, the Winx realize that individual power isn't enough. We see them struggling, getting separated, and nearly defeated. Bloom, in particular, has a tough time. She's supposed to be the keeper of the dragon flame, but on this island, she feels its raw, untamed power threatening to consume her. It's a brilliant moment of character development, showing that even the strongest among them have vulnerabilities. But what happens when the Winx are pushed to the brink? They come together. There's a fantastic sequence where they regroup and figure out a new strategy. It's no longer about who has the strongest spell. It's about coordination, trust, and combining their unique abilities in perfect harmony. Stella uses her light to guide them through dark caverns. Flora communicates with the island's hostile plants to calm them, and Musa uses her sound waves to disorient their reptilian foes. It's a beautiful display of teamwork, showing that their greatest strength has always been their bond. The climax of the episode is a spectacular showdown. The Winx, now fighting as a single, cohesive unit, confront the tricks and the enraged dragons under their control. The screen just explodes with color and energy as spells fly. You see their growth in real time. They anticipate each other's moves, protect one another, and create powerful convergent spells that they couldn't have managed before. This isn't just a fight, it's a dance of magic and friendship. They manage to break the Trix's dark hold and calm the rampaging dragons, not through brute force, but through understanding and unity. This episode is so much more than just a cool fight scene. It's a lesson about resilience. It teaches us that true power doesn't come from being the strongest, but from the strength you find in others. The Winx don't win because they're perfect. They win because they learn from their mistakes and never, ever give up on each other. Their spirit of unity is their ultimate weapon, allowing them to turn a hopeless situation into a triumphant victory. It's moments like these that make Winx Club such an enduring and inspiring show. What did you all think of this episode? What was your favorite moment of teamwork? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more magical content. See you in the next video.